Friday Workshop! What is Friday Workshop?
Friday Workshop is making things going to whatever we do in the workshop.
And what are we doing this week in the workshop?
This week we're going to talk about why we use Makita tools over other ones.
So without further ado,
Here we go.
here we go.
So we use many different brands of tools in cord form, right? But one thing that we use that is different, that's different from cords, is that we only use one kind for battery pack. That's because they interchange. For example, when you press this down and slide, you can also put it into this tool. So the good thing about that is that you only have to have like 1 or 2 batteries, so they can interchange and you always have them charged. So that's why we use this kind of all the same. So on to the next part.
One of the things that we really don't like about the batteries is that they burn out really fast if you're spinning something with a lot of force for a long period of time. So we don't do cordless in sanders, and we don't do cordless in routers. This is a trim router. And so Dremel tools also, we have a cordless Dremel tool and we hate it because the batteries just burns up in like 10 minutes. So we keep these on the corded. And that also factors into our decision.
So the reason that we use Makita over other brands like Ryobi and Milwaukee is because Milwaukee is often more expensive and Ryobi is often not as good quality. But something that's good with both worlds is Makita.
And honestly, there's a lot of good brands out there. We just happen to find a really good deal on Makita, and we really, really like the quality of the tool. Especially we like the quality of some of the Makita bits, so we bought Makita bits to match it, even though you don't have to buy bits to match the tool. Makita also makes a really nice array of lawn equipment. And so we also are able to use our own shop tool batteries in our lawn care equipment, which is really also pretty great.
Friday
Friday
Workshop. So that concludes this video.
Yeah, it's not paid for or sponsored by Makita at all. We just like the brands, and a lot of people ask us questions on why we chose Makita over other brands.
We'd love to be sponsored by you.
He's always trying to get the angle.
Just
trying
get
to
some money.
Yeah. So, thank you for watching Friday Workshop, and if you like videos like these, please
Like and subscribe and turn on that bell notification so you can see who tuned in and watch all the videos that we post.
and we post a lot.
Yeah.
So, until next time,
See ya.
see ya.